What up, guys? It's Thursday, September 25th, 8:14. Got the first order with UberEats, 907 home state, and it's going 2.4 miles by Tamarind. That's close to what's that street called? Bronson. So it's pretty easy, and I'm getting an Addy. Should I take this one? Hold on. This one, Yeasty Boys, going to Holly Drive. Where's this at? Cahuenga. Yeah, it's by Beechwood. We could take it too. Easy. Alright, so we're taking those two to start off. Alright, guys, let's get it. Let me get over there. Alright, so we got the first one. Alright. Nope. Alright, cool. Take it away. Alright, let's go grab the Yeasty. Okay, so I'm getting another add-on. This one's for 1267 Argyle. Oh yeah. Yeah, we could do this one. Yeah. Alright, cool. So 2 from Yeasty Boys and then 1 from Homestake. Let me grab the orders real quick. Alright, so we got all 3 of them. Alright, this one has the drinks. Put it right here. Let's put a divider. And then we'll stick Holly right there. Oh, perfect. All right. Oh, damn. All right, let's go drop them off. All right, so it was 9 plus 11 plus the $12 add-on, so that's 32. All right, cool. So there's the second drop off. The first one, the guy was outside already, so I couldn't record. But is this right? It has to be this one. 1756. It's right here. Alright. 1756. And she got what? Homestake. Okay. I need this one. There's a drink. I always forget the drinks. Alright, let me go drop off. Alright. Cool. Let's go. Last one. Alright, so dropping off the last one. She said to leave it on the table, but this one needs a pin. So 2409. Let me see if I could if she comes out or something. I got a DoorDash. Oh damn. I got a DoorDash for $5.75. 2.6 miles. It's going to Wilton and 8, so it's pretty easy. I mean, I'm just gonna shoot straight down. So, and it's kind of slow. I haven't gotten anything with UberEats after those 3, so might as well take this one real quick. All right, let me grab it. All right. It's a few houses away. Let me see. Is it a leave at door? Leave at door, yeah. Okay. 849. It's gonna be this building. All right, let me go drop it off. Let's go back. All right, so I got another one with UberEats from home state. 2.6 miles, $8. This is going to Normandy, and well, it's Kingsley, but it's close to Normandy, so easy drop off. Let me grab it. This one. All right, so it's 9 minutes away supposedly, so let's go drop it off. Should be less. No traffic. Alright, so it's around the corner. 516. 510. It's gonna be this brick building watch. And what is this? 516. Yep. Alright, let me go drop off. So I got a double with DoorDash. 2050, going 4.6 miles. It's a double from Mason and Alfalfa. So Mason is up here, and then Alfalfa I gotta go that way. So let me go ahead and grab this one. All right, you got the Mason. This one took forever. Oh, what is that? A straw? Oh, it's a bottle. Alright. So the other one's ready. Let me go grab it. So this one's been ready. So we got it. Let's go drop it off. I gotta take a picture of it. His DoorDash is so annoying. Alright. So we dropped off the first one. Let me just check the espresso, because last time I checked it was kind of like leaning. Alright, it's good. Alright, let's go. Alright, so the next one is right here. Gray building. It's this one. Alright, let me go this way. Alright, cool. Let me go drop this one off. Got an IHOP from DoorDash going 2 miles for $7. Taking me to Gower in Santa Monica. Easy. Let's go. I'll show it to you guys right now, because you know how DoorDash, they have you on a timer. Alright. So this one's 725, 2.1 miles, and it's just going to Gower IHOP. Alright, let's go. Alright, so it's right here. 769. Did I miss it? 765. That's a picture. Let's see. It's a yellow door. Oh, it's right here. Okay. All right. Oh no, this is not it. Has to be this one. 769. Let me lock this gate because I opened it. I got a double with Home State and what's the other one? Home State and what's the other one? Home State and well, anyways, it's 1708, 2.8 miles, and it's going to Dillon. Dillon, that's by Silver Lake. What's the other one? Oh, that's fucking chicken. That's what it is. It's around the corner the other way. So, alright, let me grab Home State. Did I say State Farm, guys? My bad. I meant Home State. So let me grab this one real quick. State. Alright, let's go get the chicken. Which is literally around the block. So with this 17, right? I'm at 72 plus 17, 89. Good. All right. All right, let me go grab it. Alright, let me confirm. Yeah, got it. So the first one's going where?
Hey, you have an element on you?
Nah, man, sorry about that. To Virgil and Burns. Okay, that's on Virgil, so we'll go this way. Let's go. So the first one's here. To leave at door. It's 4321. Is it this one? 4321, yeah. Alright, let me go drop this one off. So the other one's over there. Oh man, there's a lot of cars coming. Hold up. Should be here. I've delivered here before. Which one though? Which one? It's probably this one. Anyways, he's gonna come out, so I'm gonna stop. It's high paying offer, right? But it's chill. It's chill. It's 0.9 miles, $5 from the window. I'm literally, it's behind me. I just gotta turn around. So let me grab this one and then go drop off. Just take a quick picture. So many steps, so many steps. All right, let's go drop it off. After this one, I already got another one. It's from UberEats. Let me pull it out. Since I'm about to drop this one off, I took the other one. This one's an $18, 2.8 mile. Go ahead. 2.8 mile Oakberry. Easy. Yeah, let's drop this one off and then go grab the other one. Let me just put the dash pause after delivery. Shit, they be trying to be they be slick. They'll send you like like some trash literally right after you drop off. So let's pause them for a bit and we'll focus on the Uber Eats. Alright, so this one's right here. Alright, let me drop this one off real quick. It's gonna be right here. Done. Let's go. Grab the other one. So with this, it was 5 plus 18. So I'm at 89 plus 5 plus 18. 112. All right, let's go. We got this one. It took a minute because I guess another driver came and they stole the order. Because they took the original order and they never turned it in. So then the guy, when I showed up, he was like, oh, they already picked that one up, but don't worry about it, like I'll redo it for you. I was like, for real? He was like, yeah, I got you. I was like, oh, that's dope, that's dope. And yeah, he did it, but he had a customer ahead of me. So oh my god, there's an accident. No, not right now. Who the I'm gonna go around. Oh, it's fucking LAPD. Damn, bro. All right. Let me go around. So it's right here. 818. 818. Leave at door. All right, cool. I guess I can take you guys with me. Let's go. One with Uber Eats. This one's 16. It's a double from Pine and Crane, and I forgot where else. And it's going for 4.3 miles to New Hampshire and 4th. Easy. So let's go grab the other one. Where's the other one? I forgot. Let's see. Oh, barbecue rice. All right, cool. All right, let's go. So I'm about to drop off the first one. It's going right there. Traffic. There's a lot of traffic today. Mad annoying. All right. So finally, the second one. It's a leave at door, and it's right here. Is it this one? 361. Yeah, let me go drop this one off real quick. You gotta be careful with this people that throw junk here in K-Town. These things have bed bugs. You step on one, you take it home, it's a wrap. I'm just playing. All right, let me go drop it off. Look, I'm getting a $3 order. No, thank you. All right, so I got another one. It's from Ralph's sushi from the deli, and it's going 2.2 miles, 868. Rosemont, where is that? Somewhere before Alvarado or after Alvarado, not sure, but not too far. Let's go ahead and grab that one real quick. All right, so it's 10 items, 2 bags. Hopefully they pay a little extra, you know, throw me a little something on the side. A little side cash. Alright. We'll take it like that. Alright guys, let's go drop off. It's a block away. Alright, so it's gonna be right here. What is this? So meet outside. Let me what do you deliver this real quick. Got one with DoorDash for 1 mile, the window $5, and then I got an Addy for $6.75 plus. Total will be higher supposedly from Tartine, and that one's going 1 mile. So they're both going towards Silver Lake, so easy. Let's do it. It was ready. I got both of them already. Now let's go drop off. So the first one's around here, and it should be this one, 2081. Oh, it's right here. All right, let me drop this one off. Another one with UberEats. This is from Oakberry. It's 1069, 1.9 miles going to Benton, close to Temple, so easy. And it's right here. I just gotta grab it. Hopefully it's ready. It's right here. 152. It's a what? Meet at door. But I have to go upstairs to 102. Alright. Cool. Let's just grab it. Oh, hey. Oh, nice. Thanks for coming out. Yeah. Okay. Have a good one. Enjoy, okay? Oh. Okay. She was out. Damn. Let me just confirm this. Alright, cool. DoorDash, California Fish Grill, and Baja California Tacos. Never been there. The second one. It's going 2.9 miles for $12.75. So yeah, let's take it. California Fish Grill is right here. So let me grab this one, and then we'll go to the other one. The next one is showing it's somewhere in this block. I've never seen it. First time. Let's see. Oh, it's on Hillhurst. What? Okay, never mind. I was tripping. Not on this block. Alright, let me get there then. It's right here. Damn! New restaurant unlocked. I've been to this one, to the Baja Tacos, but it used to be like one of those Nashville chicken places, you know what I mean? So new owner, new theme, new menu, so new restaurant, even though I've been here before. All right, let me grab it. So this one's going to be dropped off first, the Baja, and then it's gonna be the California Fish. All right, let's go. So I got a triple now with UberEats. It's a double from Home State and one from I forgot where. Oh, Where was it from? I forgot. But anyways, it's easy. Triple 2.2, and it's going not even to Silver Lake. It's going to Hyperion. Easier. All right, let me grab the first two. We're ready. Kind of big. I ripped already. Let me go ask for another bag. This thing's always ripped. I'll be back. Got the last one. The other one made me late already, man. I wasn't expecting a drink. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go drop them off. Alright, so the first drop off is around this curve right here. I think I know where it's at. Oh yeah, it's this house. Is it? Oh no, it's a different house. Never mind. I don't have to show you this. Oh, dropped off all three. I was supposed to drop off to Robert. He was over there, but the guy after, he was right here. So he was like, "Hey, I'm right here." So I was like, "Oh, Robert." Like he was like, "No, I'm what was his name? I forgot his name." I was like, "Oh damn, I can't like switch to your account, you know, because I gotta drop off to Robert first." But anyways, I just told him, whatever, like just give me the last 4 digits of your number just in case it has a pin, and that's it, we're good. So he took it first, and then I went and dropped off to Robert. He took it, so it was all good. So all three are done. Let's go. A double with DoorDash, California Fish Grill, and Salaya Plant Base. That's a Thai restaurant. This one's paying out $17.50, 6.1 miles. Easy though. It's easy. To me, it's easy. And it's gonna leave me in WeHo. Not bad. Busy area too, so I'm not tripping. Just gonna drop them off. Okay, so first one's gonna be this one, Sydney. All right, cool. To leave at lobby. All right, perfect. Even better. All right, let's go. Double check. All right, so first one's here, but the address says, it says 1234 and this is 1233, but she says it's the right one, so let's give it to her. Sydney? Hey. Thank you. Have a good one, all right? Enjoy. You too. All right, so hand it to customer. Yep. All right, so next one has to be delivered by 53. All right, let's go. So I got another double from this one's from UberEats. This one's 18 5.5 from this German restaurant and the barbecue place up the street. I got the first one. Now let's go get the other one. It's not gonna fit. All right, let's go. So after this one, I think I'm already at 242. So pretty good. Oh look, I'm getting a natty. Plus 16. Slurping ramen. Hell yeah, we're taking it. And it's taking me back to Silver Lake. Shit. Okay, plus 16. 258. Nice. All right, let's go grab them. So it looks like we're gonna go drop off Kelly first. So we're gonna drop this one off, and then we're gonna go get the noodles. So that's good, because I was like, oh damn, the bags are kind of big, you know, not a lot of space. So yeah, let's go. Dropped off the first one, picking up the third one, and then I guess we're gonna drop off one more, and then I'm gonna pick up another one, a fourth one, and that puts me at 275, which is gonna be, with this one it was at 258, and then I got this one for 16, a Silver Lake ramen from Silver Lake. That puts me at 274, but I know I'm 275 for sure. But yeah, so let me grab this one, then I guess we're gonna go drop off one, and then we gotta go to Silver Lake ramen. Right, so we got this one. Let me see how this is gonna work out, because I'm not sure. All right, so we're going right now to Emily. She has the German food, and then we're gonna go to Silver Lake ramen. Okay, so we have one more drop off, and then we go to Silver Lake ramen, and then I guess we go drop off the last two. All right, so the next drop off is literally that building. I'm thinking I should get on the sidewalk, because there's no stopping right now. So that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully nobody steals the food, because it's not the best area here, but it's not the worst. But still, though, you never know. All right, it has to be this one. I don't see the address though, but it has to be this. Let me go drop off. Before I was supposed to park on the side, I'm in the front, and every time I come here, like now I know who it is, who it's for. It's this young girl. It's like the last time she did the same thing, like it's locked, dude, and my bike is down there. Be right there. I ain't going up. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna step out. I'm gonna go check out my bike. Well, she comes down, because nah, we ain't going upstairs anymore. It's the same girl. I mean, she's underage. She looks like she's 16. Probably uses the mom's credit card. But still though, like, come on, like, can you be down here? You know what I mean? I don't like to be rude, but like, at least come down if you know the building's locked, and then you don't have instructions nor like a code to get in. Come on. All right, well, let's leave that behind, and let's go pick up the Silver Lake ramen now. It's going another add-on, but this one's going to Glendale for $11. Nah, I'm straight. I'd rather just come back. All right, almost at Silver Lake ramen, the third one, and I'm getting another add-on. It better be worth it to go to downtown. Fuck no. All right, I'm tripping though. You swear I'm gonna go downtown for $12. Damn. All right. So we're dropping off the ramen, the first ramen, the Slurpin ramen. This one's for David. It's a meet outside or meet at door? Oh, meet at door. Okay. So he's coming up. Let me drop this one off, and then we gotta go down that way to Riverside. Come back this way. Hopefully we get a big one from Esperanza, and if not, we'll come back to Pine. We gotta go for the last one. This thing tripped me out. Look, it looked like people inside for real, for real. I was like, damn. Especially this one, kind of looks 3D-ish. If you look at it from an angle. All right, cool. Let's go. All right, so it's this one right here. I should have turned right there. Damn. All right, let me U-turn. Oh, there you go. Right here. All right, let me go drop off. All right, 434. Right here. All right, let's head back. From Pine and Crane, $8, 0.4 miles, I think. Let me double check. 0.7 miles. It's going a few blocks down. I know where it's going. That's pretty bad. Damn, look at a telescope. That's what it's called, a telescope, right? Yeah, I haven't used that word in so long. It's a telescope, right? Yeah, it's a telescope. All right, guys. Let's go drop it off. I got this one so we could come back. And after this one, I think I'm only down to, I don't know, let me check. Numbers. So plus 8, 82. So I have 83. I know I have 83. So all I need is 17 after this. All right, let's go. Waiting, so let's go back. Let's go back to Pine and Crane. Ooh, right here. I almost missed it. Alright, so I'm taking this one for right now. It's a $5 from the window, 1.2 miles, easy drop off by Coronado and Sunset, easy. Let me grab it. So with that one, I'm taking this one, and that makes it 20, and that's I'm done. That's 300, I'm sure. Plus 5, plus 15. Yeah, 302. I'm done for today. The DoorDash, I mean the UberEats. I just don't want this one to tip over. Because yesterday I took one. And then, I don't know. They have dome lids, right? But I think they have a hole in the middle. They have a hole. So I don't know, I hit a bump or something, but it spilled. It didn't tip over, but it spilled. And when I got to the customer, the bag was super wet. So, all right, next one. All right, so even though I marked everything that it wasn't ready, that they were still working on it, it didn't give me enough time. So I guess this was just gonna have to be late. Not a big deal, oh well. It's supposed to be delivered by 8:01. It's 7:55. It only gave me 6 minutes to go drop off. Like, I swear, like DoorDash, they don't take in consideration like parking. If you have to dial to the apartment, if you have to take an elevator, or if you have to check in, they just don't care. They just say, okay, you better drop it off in 6 minutes, or else it's gonna be late. Like, dude, like. It's ridiculous. So it's out of my control. So let me just might as well, it's already late, so we're gonna go to Thirsty Crow. Where are we going? Somewhere over there. Hey, how's it going? I have a pickup for Sophia.
One second.
All right. It's not ready. right, so it's 2 drinks, hot tea. Fuck it. Who cares? This is my last one. I don't care. I'll try to be careful though, but like, I don't care. This one's going first. Let me just. Alright. Let me fix this. Alright, the first one's supposed to be here. What is it? 10:33. I can't even see. Let me turn on this light. Oh, it's right here. Let me just turn it on either way. Well, this one's late by a minute. Wow, a minute. I could have made it, guys. I could have made it. It's 8:02. Oh well. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Grant, right?
Yeah.
All right,
Thanks so
perfect,
much.
man. Have a good one. All right. Cool. You're almost done. Man, shut up, Uber. I know I'm almost done. And after I'm done, I'm gonna close the app. How about that? Alright, we paused this one, but let me end it. I'm done. Oh shit. Hold on. Hold on, let me turn off this light. In order to make the DoorDash on time, I skipped the customer because now it's showing that I have to go back from where I was coming from. Damn, that's crazy. And let me see if they mark me late. Watch. How much you guys want to bet that I was late? Even though it was just like a minute. It was just a minute. Ratings. Oh, the window on time. Oh, that's dope. All right, cool. Oh shit, I thought I was gonna be late. All right, cool. Let me get there. This one's the one. The first one that we're gonna drop off is the one that has the. Damn, I left that thing open. It has the T, so it's all good. 29.74. What is this? 29.74 right here. All right, guys. All right, let's just wait. Oh, she's coming. Hey, Sophia.
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank
you.
so
Have a
much.
good one. Enjoy. All right, so that one's done. All right, we need one more. One more, guys. One more drop off. Damn, I forgot I left this thing open too. I have food in there. All right, it's still there. Is it? Yeah, it's still there. All right, cool. Let's go. All right, last one. It's showing that it's gonna be right here. 32. 32. Is it in there? Damn. It looks spooky. Scary. Where is this going? This is going to Francisco. Hell no, I ain't going to downtown for $8. Tripping. Alright. This one says leave at door. I'll take you guys with me. Yeah. It's the last one. Might as well. just in case something happens to me, you know, it's on. You guys will witness. Alright, let me turn this on though. I'm a little scared. 132, this is 178. Okay, good, it's not here. Maybe it's here. What is this? Damn. Let me see. 136. It has to be this one. This 132? Is this 132?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. So apartment 4. It's right here. Oh shit. Let's get the apartment number 10. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up the video at 300. I might stay. It's barely 8:21. I'm not tired yet, so I might stay, do a few more. But as far as recording, that's it for me. I'm done. And also, I was gonna tell you guys, don't forget every Saturday, 7 a.m. new videos. Just in case you don't know, now you know. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Guys, I know I said that was the last one, but I got another one. This is really the last one, okay? Like, I'm just gonna go home after, because it's basically taking me home. It's on the way towards my house. So this is from Bakari. It's 17. It's a double, and it's going to Echo Park. 3.2 miles. I don't know which one's the second one. Oh, Heavy-Handed, the burger spot. So easy pickup. I gotta go right here. I think we get them here. Let me see. Stop, employees only. I'm sure this is the pickup. I've been here before. Okay, so now it's in the front. Was it there? Nah, it's not here. Damn, check it out. I want one of those Harleys. Watch, I'm gonna get that one. Spring next year. I swear I'm gonna get it. All right, let me go check if it's here or on that side door. And then you go up there. There's more tables. It's pretty cool. Oh, dude, I thought that was indoor, and that's an indoor-outdoor. That's a trip. It looks indoor, but it's still outdoor. Oh, okay, cool.
2 items for you.
All right, perfect. Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, damn. It's an indoor-outdoor sitting area. That's a trip. All right, guys. We got this one. Let's go to the next one. Where we're going, Heavy-Handed, right? All right, cool. It's right here. It should be ready. They're pretty quick here. But you never know. All right, we got it. Those 2 doubles. Easy. All right, let's go drop them off. 1443. 1443, I see it. This is Taylor. All right, and I think he had the heavy-handed. Yep. What is it? It's a meat at door. All right, let me stop recording for this one. Look, check it out. This is the first time I deliver here. Look at that view of downtown. Oh damn, I almost tripped. Hold on, I gotta get a picture. I think it's better over there. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me go drop this off. It said 309, but I'm not seeing the numbers. What happened to the numbers? 307. All right, let me just 309. I hope it's this one. Hey,
Hi.
Ashley?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Enjoy. All right. Let's get a nice picture. Delivered.
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
Oh, also sorry.
Yeah, no worries. I'm just out here.
I was tempted.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry about it. I'm sweating my balls off.
Oh.
I'm just
Okay. It's beautiful up here.
yeah, it's pretty great.
All right, you too. Enjoy, okay? All right. Oh, yeah, she caught me. Oh, shit. It's pretty bad though. I've never delivered here. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So that's a wrap for me. 320. I don't know if I got hidden tips, but on the records, it's just 320. So that's good enough. All right, and one more thing, guys. Since we're up here at the teardrop, let's pass by the house where they filmed the training day, where Roger, when they go into Roger's it's not the basement, where they break his floor and they take out like I don't know how many minions. It's right here. Hold on. Let me find it. Look at that view though. It's beautiful up here. Alright. So it's this house right here. You guys see it? I think it's this one. Let me see. Let me be a creep. I think it's this one. This one, it's this one, or it's this one. I'm not so sure. I could never remember. I think it's this one, the brown one. But yeah, guys, that's just guys, check it out. Check out this view right before we leave. It's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, and I know I said I was done, but you know I had to take that last one. But check it out. 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 Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. You guys gotta admit that's pretty. Woo! That's a wrap, guys. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.